It starts. You're right. It started right up.
It doesn't have an exhaust leak. Nice and quiet.
That's not what it's got going yet. What do you use your dyno in? Fourth?
What year did you even?
What's that?
And I'm going home now.
You're going home now?
What did you ask me?
Just what gear do you dyno
What
in?
year did you get to?
She was wondering. Fourth, that's what I thought. Yeah.
That is cool.
I told you you'd like it.
Holy shit.
That's all the way down.
That's turned all the way down.
Well, I already know he's gonna beat me, but that's okay. I'll look really
She's got
good driving my
she's got
red
a real
Viper.
nice red Viper.
So
Just twin turbo.
Just twin. See, we talked about it. You better supercharge it.
do you know what?
Or
Hey,
dual,
look.
or dual,
Something.
I don't need a speeding ticket.
or just a Pro Charger.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
That
I
way you have
look
the same
good
thing as a
driving
turbo.
it.
You
Do
don't
I
have
need
lag,
anything
and you don't
else?
have the horsepower raw.
That big motor.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Absolutely. Turn down 579. That's not bad.
I even have my driving shoes on.
Good little stock engine. How's the trans working?
Good?
It's good.
Everything's good?
You don't have to worry about breaking it. Thank God.
No, sir. It is
Got really
good to go.
looks good. Huh? Good. Got fucking tired of that damn automatic
So,
transmission
that
bullshit.
black really
You know, it kind of blends.
doesn't
Yeah, I
stand
don't.
out too bad. I've never seen them like side by side.
Sent Devin a text and thanked him. He did. What do you do to the headlights? Whatever. It is, huh? Whatever he did.
So you can get there. Okay. Well, at some point there's, if you get your adrenaline rush when he's an adrenaline junkie. So
Devin worked his magic though. Damn.
they look, by the way, they look amazing. Or they look
Look like shit.
shit.
I know. She's very particular.
Like I shit. Like apple, whatever.